We're back where we left off there, YouTubers, and we've actually got to kill all these bastards here or try to escape. We'll try to take out this fucking camera here. What do we got here? Explode. Where's he walking by? Right about now. It's one fucking dead. Oh, awesome. When he walks past, killed him. That's good. Got him down. Some fucking snipers on the roof. Probably out of his range. Come on. Oh no, his battery pack. Look at him go fucking far! Oh, he smashed him down on the ground. Holy shit. Let's go back to this camera and see what we can smash over here. Take that one more up there. Come on, come on. Should only be a couple left. I'll see if I can take them out. Sniper. Gotcha. Where's the rest of them? Oh, there's a couple more coming in. Boom, baby. What the hell? Smashed him. He's off. Oh, he's down there. Good shot. There we go. Well done. Smashed him.
All right, Damien. Let's talk.
Huh, that's awesome, people. What's going on now? Let's trace the call. Oh, follow the trace. Yeah, righto. Yeah, so... oh, we get out of this cover position. Take the tab off. What little goodies did they leave me? Can't hack him because he's dead. Let's follow this trace anyway. I think we can get out that way. Certainly you can't drive that car, that'll fuck. Look at this mess, come on, get through there. Ah, that's I should have put the blocker up, that would have been handy. But then I wouldn't have made a big explosion. Oh, snap. Sorry. You get that, bud. Are you gonna fit? It's gonna be here in the park somewhere. Yeah, get out here. Sounds like that person's drunk.
This one time I saw a guy driving driving on the sidewalk. On
Here
the
we go.
freaking sidewalk. I have no idea what that was all about. It's a wonder I haven't gotten into any major accidents yet. Maybe I'll get rid of my car before that happens.
I think it's great.
Oh, there you go. Fucking man on the fucking sidewalk. Ooh, anyone with normal bloke would walk up the stairs. Oh, here we go.
Aren't you a clever boy? Drinks are ready.
Call me boy.
Tell me you miss me.
You had that punk call my sister. Why am I here, Damien?
You're always so grim, Aiden. My God. Don't you ever loosen up? I want my partner back. Me at the computer, you in the field doing the manly work. I'm here to help you. We both want the same things. Answers. Who attacked us? And I happen to know that you've hit a wall. Yeah, I figured. So, I come bearing glad tidings. The Merlot.
The Merlot. The Merlot was your fuck up.
Bullshit. You bailed on a perfectly good scheme. No one would have found out if you had just stood by me.
6-year-old girl. My niece died because you went too far.
Oh, you're adorable. Blaming your family problems on me? Damien crossed the line, he made the fat man angry. What about me?
What about you?
You're not the only one suffering. They made me cripple. They took everything from me. Don't you see? That's what binds us together.
You got nothing I need.
There was another hacker. There was a second hacker.
Oh.
And I know how to find him.
And that may be, Damien. But you can't do it on your own. You need me. Your big problem is... I don't need you.
Don't walk away. This is a lead.
Thanks for the tip.
Ooh. He fucking smashed his piss and told him to fuck off. Hey, you got a bit of a limp too. What's he gonna do? Do something seriously? Nah.
I used to look up to Damien. Taught me how to ferret out weak code and exploit it. But I taught him how to do the same without a computer. People can be more vulnerable than their systems. We were a strong team. After Lena, I was done with him. I didn't waste time thinking about him. And now he's creeping back in. I need to know what he's got on the Merlot.
Well, there you go. There's Act 1. Thanks for the tip. Mission complete.
And you? Just bumming around. You've been so lazy.
Well, I want skill point.
So fat. And that DJ Emperor Rat is in town. Want to check it out? Maybe. I don't know. I have to check a few things. I know, I'm lame.
Oh,
Go away.
don't fucking mind me. Just he's dropping. Fucking jump off here. Don't tempt me. I will. Another crime detected. Nah, fuck that. Yeah, well, anyway, what the hell is this big thing? Lots of medical records. It's a auditorium, big stadium. Oh fuck! There we go. Check in. So let's see what they've left us. Yay! 51 check-ins last 7 days. Alright, eh? What gifts have they got? 3 gifts. Any money? Oh, donation cash. 141. I'll take that. Thank you. And no, I won't fucking leave you anything. Piss off. I'll just take your money. Give you some meds. Yeah, anyhow, people, thanks for watching again. I'll end this episode right here. And, yeah, I'll be back at you. Thanks for watching again. And if you're new, Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I do other stuff, videos, food challenges, and this is just me Watch Dogs series. Just random gameplays and some missions and shit. Anyhow, people, take it easy, and I'll catch us on the flip side with another Watch Dogs video shortly.